Welcome to our channel again. Yes.
Jenna's Ratchet Hair Salon.
This is cheap highlighting your hair. We've kind of grown out of these highlights that we did. So you're going to buy one of these Target, really cheap. How cheap are they, Cal?
Like 10 bucks. 10 to 15. It might be 15. Expensive, but like if you have a gift card or like there's like a cartwheel ad. Okay.
Okay, so basically what we've done so far is we fill up this black tray with this white goo that she made earlier. So we're just gonna, you can see this, squeeze it out into you're just gonna drag it through the hair a little lighter at first. You want it to be a gradual thing. I don't know how we're gonna do this part. For example, let's just do her... Wait. You're gonna start at the top and you're gonna go lightly.
And we didn't call it Jenna's professional hair salon. It's on my face. There's bleach approaching my eyes. Mama. Like and subscribe.
Okay, ready? Alright, Cali. Oh, Cali's playing Pokemon Go.
Okay. Okay.
So now, Cali is layering her hair again so we can get...
This is gonna look so gross. I promise my hair is not always ugly.
I'll just have one layer to go.
Yep.
We are halfway there. It's not just a phase. Okay, so for the last layer of hair here, it's important to make sure you get the backs of the roots as well.
Okay. Imagine seeing me at a gas station at 4 in the morning.
We'll return in the morning and show you a showered Cali. Cool. We will see you tomorrow morning. Thank you for checking in and seeing how we do at Jenna's Ratchet Hair Salon. Alright, so here is the final look. Okay, well, thank you for coming to our channel again, watching another less pointless video. I feel like this one was more
helpful.
More helpful, yeah.
Like and subscribe.